Hi guys! Today we are learning how to see liked photos on Pinterest. First, unlock your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you liked or saved your pins. Once the app opens, you're ready to access your profile. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest profile, where you can access your account settings and activity. On your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. From the list of options, choose Refine your recommendations to view the content Pinterest uses based on your activity. Inside Refine your recommendations, open the Pins section. Here, you'll find pins based on your activity, including the ones you've interacted with. You can browse through them and open any pin to view it in detail. Select any pin from the list to open it. If you've liked that pin before, you'll be able to recognize your interaction while viewing it. You can go through your pins one by one to check the photos you've previously liked or engaged with. And that's how you can check your liked photos on Pinterest. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple Pinterest tutorials.